E. Page 68 to 69. Here we go. Each. Each means every or everyone. Each of us has a balloon. Each balloon is a different color. Ear. Your ear is the part of your body that you use for hearing. Look up the word body. Bert is holding the clock next to his ear. He can hear the clock ticking. Tick, tick, tick. Early. Early means too soon. Early. Early can also mean near the beginning. The sun rises early in the morning. Bert, did I miss the parade? No, Arnie. You're early. It hasn't started yet. Parade today. Earth. Earth is the name of the planet on which we live. Astronaut Grover can see the planet Earth. Earth. Earth is also another word for ground. The earth in Farmer Grover's garden is good for growing carrots. Easy. When something is easy, you do not have to work hard to do it. This is easy. This is hard. Eat. When you eat, you swallow food. What did you eat for lunch? I ate a peanut butter sandwich. Egg. An egg is a round or oval thing that holds a baby animal until it is ready to be born. The baby robin is being born. It is hatching from its egg. Aren't they cute? 8. 8 is a number. 8 is one more than 7. Oscar has 8 tin cans in his used can collection. Page 70 to 71. 18. 18 is a number. 18 is 10 plus 8 more. Ernie has 10 red marbles and 8 blue marbles. He has 18 marbles all together. Either. Either means one or the other. Oh, Oscar, you can have either the red roses or the stinkweed. Red roses? Yeah, I will take the stinkweed. Elbow. Your elbow is in the middle of your arm. Your arm bends at the elbow. Look at the word body. Betty Lou has a bandage on her elbow. Elephant. An elephant is a big gray animal with a long nose called a trunk. A, B, C. Which of these animals is an elephant? The answer is B. Elevator. An elevator takes people or things up and down in a building. Glover, the elevator operator, operates an elevator. Going up. 11. 11 is a number. 11 is 10 plus 1 more. Bert has 10 socks that match and 1 sock does not match. He has 11 socks all together. Empty. When something is empty, there is nothing or no one in it. The cookie jar is full. The cookie jar is empty. End. The end is the very last part of something. Big Bird is standing at the end of the line. End. When something ends, it is over. The play will end when the curtain comes down. The end. Pages 72 to 73. Energy. Energy is power to do work. People and machines need energy. Energy for your body comes from food. Energy for machines can come from burning fuel or from the sun. Farmer Grover uses energy from the sun to heat his henhouse. Engine. An engine is a machine that makes something go. This tractor will not go unless I turn on the engine. Engineer. An engineer is someone who knows how to build machines or roads or bridges or buildings. When I grow up, I'm going to be an engineer and build real bridges. Engineer. A train engineer is someone who drives a train. Cookie the train engineer is driving the Cookie Express. Enjoy. When you enjoy yourself, you have a good time. I enjoy feeding pigeons. Here, pigeons. I enjoy counting pigeons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 well-fed pigeons. Enough. When you have enough, you have as much as you need. There are 6 grouches and 6 garbage cans. There are enough garbage cans for everyone. The annual Grouch Picnic. Wow, there are so many grouches here. Interesting. Enter. When you enter, you go in. Entrance. The entrance is where you go in. Entrance. I, Grover, will enter through the entrance. Envelope. An envelope is a paper container for a letter. Big Bird has written a letter. He is putting it into an envelope. Equal. When things are equal, they are the same in number or size. The Busby twins have an equal number of presents. I have 3 presents. I have 3 presents. Page 74 to 75. Equipment. Equipment is a set of things you need to do a job. Biff and Sally are carrying equipment to repair the street. Erase. When you erase something, you wipe it away. Baby Breeze erased that picnic. Eraser. An eraser is something you use to erase with. Bert has 8 erasers in his eraser collection. So I think Bert is the one who really like to collect, everything. Escalator. An escalator is a stairway with moving steps. Escalators can take you up or down. Even. When two things or people are even, they are at the same level. They can also be at the same distance from a certain point. Glover and Betty Lou are riding side by side on the escalator. They are even with each other. Even. Even also means smooth, flat, or level. Farmer Grover is raking his garden so the ground will be even. Ever. Ever means at any time or at all times. As our story ends, Marshall Grover is riding into the sunset. Will he ever return to Sesame Gulch? Will he ever capture Bad Bird? Will he ever sit on Fred that right away? Every. Every means each, one, or all. Every morning, the sun comes up in the east. Except. Except means leaving out. Everybody except Big Bird is in Big Bird's nest. Hi, everybody. What about me? Excited. You feel excited when you expect something wonderful. I wonder what is in this package. Oh, I'm so excited. Maybe it is a bag of bird seed or a pillow for my nest or exercise. When you exercise, you make your muscles work. Betty Lou and Fowley like to exercise. Exercise is good for you. Page 76, Exit. The exit is the way out. The alphabets are leaving through the exit. So these boys are called alphabets. Where is everybody going? Expect. When you expect something, you think it will happen. I, the amazing Bumfold, did not expect that. Ta-da! Expensive. When something is expensive, it costs a lot of money. Hey kid, would you like to buy a letter E? That's too expensive. Explain. When you explain something, you try to help someone else understand it. Extra. When you have an extra amount of something, you have more than you need. Ernie, please explain why you put an extra glass on the table. There are only 2 of us. Someone is here. Your eye is a part of your face. You use your eyes for seeing. Look up the word face. Eyelid, eyelash, eyebrow, pupil. The word exit is an excellent word. Now, where is the nearest exit? So I can get out of here.